And my name's Pete Rafferty. I work at, amongst other things, Crosthwaite Primary School, and currently it's Saturday morning, about 11 o'clock, and I'm in my garden. If you look over my shoulder, sort of in that way, if I head that way for about 120 kilometres, that's where you get to Crosthwaite School. And if I turn around and head in that direction, in that general direction there, about 10 kilometres away is Anfield, where I am going to this afternoon. And I'm here to tell you just a little bit about how in Crosthwaite, in that direction, use Stemi to find out about lots of different things. Starting with Stemi's brilliant hexapod that was voted by our Year 6 children as the product to buy at BET 2022, brought back to school, built, assembled, coded, and then moved on to the online platform using Stemi as an inspiration for chatbots and discovering artificial intelligence. The children at Crosthwaite Primary School use Stemi LAB, a brilliant, simple to use and easily accessible set of curriculum resources to create things such as an AI chatbot for the school website. Everything is there. Curriculum resources, managed classes, hints for teachers and pupils. I can't really recommend Stemi highly enough. Brilliant piece of work.